Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thanks so much for coming here to see me open this happy mail that I received from Karen Thomas 2302. And if you guys don't know Karen, she's an amazing lady and she's one of my subscribers, but more than that, she's one of my friends. We email each other all the time. And yesterday I came home from grocery shopping and found this package sitting on my deck. I had no idea it was coming. Totally surprised me, and she has all these cool stickers on here. Handle with care. Happy mail has arrived. Opening this package will cause extreme happiness, and I didn't even open it yet, and I'm extremely happy. And here we have, please handle with care, fragile, handle with love. There's stickers on the bottom and the sides and everywhere. And thank you, Karen. Not to mention the red, green, and white polka dotted wrapping paper. So cool. Karen is an amazing crafter. She can paper craft. She can knit and crochet. She makes beautiful, beautiful jewelry. She's just a sweetheart too. So I'm trying to open this. I don't want to wreck your beautiful wrapping job here, Karen, but I might have to unless I can get it out of this end. Yeah, so like I said, I did not know this was coming. I saw on my informed delivery that there was a package coming from California, and I did not recognize the name of the town where it was coming from, and it is Hesperia, California. Well, I was watching this package, and this package left Hesperia, California, and went to someplace called Moreno Valley Distribution Center in California. And then it arrived in Boston, Massachusetts, where I am. But then it left Boston and went to Brockton for some reason, which is about 60 miles north of me. Then it left Brockton, and it even left Massachusetts and went to Rhode Island. Then it left Rhode Island, came back to my way, and landed in Buzzards Bay. So me and Karen just have something with our mail. But it's just so crazy and mixed up. So I guess this Karen reused this box, and I don't blame her because the post office's boxes are really cool. But I want to cover up that address. So really, I have no idea what's in this box. It did say fragile. Look at the pretty pink tissue paper. Oh my gosh. I gotta look for the card. So I have been like off of the radar. I became a great grandmother last night at exactly 8:58. And let me tell you, it was 4 days of being on the edge of my seat if this kid was coming or not. I'm calling her the procrastinator because she sure took her sweet time getting here, and her parents are going to have one story to tell their little girl about how she came into the world. So I have a card here. I'm sorry it got a little bit bent here, Karen, but it's absolutely beautiful. It says hello, uh, velvet blue ribbon here with the flowers. And it's on silver cardstock. Just gorgeous, Karen. Let's see what she says. Oh, she wrote me a letter. And she left this blank, and it says, thinking of you. So, I think I'm going to, and she stamped the back of it. Or that's her sticker, handmade by Karen Thomas. Oh, it's a long letter. Let me pause for a second. So I had mentioned that I wished that I could make a quilt for my great granddaughter, or have Karen make one. And she says, "Oh, I know that joy." And hearing that, I looked through my scraps of fabrics and I had half yards of all kinds of pinks. And I went to work with a pattern from a beautiful quilter who had recently passed. Can't say mine went together. Anyway, it's a good try. No payment is needed since this was from my former project leftovers, and I love to sew. I hope your newest member of your family will enjoy it for years to come. Now on to my V-Day rag quilt and my son's Alabama roll tide quilt. Fun stuff. Hugs and enjoy this gift from Karen T. Oh my God, Karen, you did not. She has sent me pictures of quilts that she has made, and they are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my God, Karen. When my sister and I were young, my mother made us quilts from her rags of fabric that she had. Look at all the beautiful pinks and butterflies and flowers. Oh, that is what this reminds me of, Karen. Look at how big it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, Karen, thank you so, so much. Look at the other side. I am in love. Look at the beautiful stitching. Can you guys see that? I'm going to the hospital in the morning, and I'm going to bring this with me, and I'm going to tell my little granddaughter, great granddaughter, and her mother and father the story of this quilt, how I came to get it, who made it for her, and how I appreciate this so much. What a gift to make an heirloom like this, because that's what it is. It'll be a family heirloom, and I know this is going to keep her cozy warm. We are about to have a blizzard here in Massachusetts, and they said it's going to be like 15 to 20 below with the wind chill factor. I am not looking forward to that. But anyway, I just can't thank you enough, Karen. This is so, so beautiful. It's so soft and just gorgeous. Thank you very much, Karen. You are such a wonderful friend to me. I appreciate this so much. Okay, I'm going to go get some more tissues and I'm going to sign off, and I will see you um, soon with something new. But I don't know how I'm going to top this, that's for sure. Oh, thank you. And look, I didn't see this. She signed it here in the corner. Handmade by Karen Thomas. 1/2/2026. Oh, she's been working on this for a few weeks. Phew, I love it.